Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edward Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to go about resolving if you're trying to perform a search in Windows search and no results are found, and if you're trying to search for something that doesn't exist in the Windows system and you're not going to come up with anything results, and then I'll show you how to resolve that. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to right click on taskbar. So kailangan lang natin mag right click dito sa taskbar. And then select mo lang dito yung task manager. And then dito sa task manager, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung run new task. So i-click mo lang itong create new task. So click lang natin yan. And then pop up ito mga kaibigan na create new task. Okay? So, dito sa box ay kailangan mo nang i-type dito yung CMD. And then, kailangan mo nang i-check tong create this task with administrative privilege. So, check mo tong box and then click mo lang tong OK. And then, pop-up itong administrator command prompt. Okay, so dito, kailangan mo nang i-type yung command keyword na sfc /scan now. So, one word yung /scan now and then all small letters ito, and then press mo lang yung enter. Okay, so makikita mo dito na beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Beginning verifications, phase of system scan, kailangan lang natin na hintayin na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. Okay, so makikita mo dito na verification 100% complete. So ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-close tong CMD, and again dito sa run new task, click mo lang yan. And then pop up itong create new task. So dito ang next command keyword na kailangan mong i-type ay i-type mo lang yung services.msc. Okay, so i-type mo lang yung services.msc, and again i-check mo tong box na create this task with administrative privilege. Okay, and then click mo lang tong OK. Alright, so dito sa services local mga kaibigan, and then scroll down lang tayo. And then, i-locate natin yung Windows search. Alright, so scroll down. Okay, so dito sa Windows search, kailangan mo na mag-double click and then pop up itong kanyang properties. Okay, so ang next step, dito lang sa general and then dito lang sa startup type, and then click mo lang tong arrow na to and then select mo lang yung disabled. And then dito sa running, ay kailangan mo lang i-click tong stop and then click mo tong yes. Okay, and then next step ay again, dito sa startup type, i-click mo tong arrow na to and then select mo lang dito yung automatic and then click mo lang tong start and then wait natin. Okay, and then next step ay click mo lang tong apply and then click mo lang tong OK and then close lang natin tong services and then dito sa taskbar and then dito lang sa start menu and then click mo lang to restart. So, kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix Windows 11 or Windows 10 search bar not showing results, not working. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.